Hello everyone, my today's video is how to unlock an iPhone, and this is a special video I'm making. I'm using two different iPhones, and I'm gonna show you how I can show you to unlock these iPhones free of cost without paying any single penny to anyone. And so please subscribe this channel, share my video, like my video, and comment your IMEI for free unlock. So the process is very simple and very easy. So I'm keep saying again and again, you're not paying anything to anyone. This is 100% free thing what I'm going to show you. So for this purpose I'm using two different iPhones just for everybody to see properly that this thing is not fake, this is not cut video, and this is real video and real things what I'm doing here in my video. So for this purpose I have one iPhone, as you can see here, iPhone 5s I'm using, and another one I have here, iPhone 6s Plus. So we have two iPhones at the moment and we're gonna start. So please like my video, subscribe my channel for more, and comment your IMEI into my comment section. Please don't forget to add your um, IMEI number. If you have serial number is okay, if you don't have, please at least mention your carrier, your SIM, your phone provider, and your country as well, please. This really helps because I'm unlocking every day 10 to 15 IMEI, so it's really busy and it's very slow. So please, if you can do, I can do free of cost for you. I'm not charging anything to anyone. Okay, now at the moment there is no SIM, as you can see in this phone there is no SIM, and in this phone as well you can see there is no SIM. So this is very good video for people they looking for free unlock of iPhone, and I'm gonna show you in this one. So this is exactly SIM unlock for all kind of iPhones, for all kind of uh, all kind of iOS, for all kind of countries. So please have a look now. Okay, now we're gonna add SIM cards, and please remember this method is exclusively applies to blacklisted iPhones as well. I have received a lot of um, I received so many comments, people asking for how to unlock blacklisted iPhone. So I'm making this video especially for everybody, so you can try. Okay, first I want you to see these iPhones are lock or block. So next step gonna be how to unlock them. I put one SIM card already in one phone. Now I'm gonna add second SIM card into second iPhone, just for everyone to see very clearly. I'm not changing any phones, and everything I'm doing in front of everybody. Okay, so I have few SIM cards here, and I want everybody to see very closely that what I can do now. Okay, here we go. Now we have two iPhones, both are in front of you. As you can see, it says no service. I'm sure everybody knows meaning of this, why it says no service here. As you can see here as well, no service. So both iPhones are no service. It means these phones are locked to one network and blocked to one network. So please, the main reason for me to use two phones to show everyone that how this thing working. Okay, now okay, we see already it says here no service. We see in this iPhone it says no service. Okay, now next step, we have to click one time, start again. Okay, as you can see sign here on the left hand, click on this sign, you can see IMEI number there. Okay, this one you can make like that, press this button, you can see IMEI number there. Okay, so we're gonna try from the iPhone 5s. We're gonna show you how this thing gonna work. This is free of cost. You are not paying any single penny to anyone, and this is 100% free. So what we're going to do, we're going to open a website called simneverlog.com. I'm saying again, simneverlog.com. You can see very clearly. If you can't see, you can open your laptop and you can see there clearly. Now you have to write down your email address. I will write down email address. Okay, this is email address. You have to write down your one. I'm not hiding anything, so I want everybody to see a close eye. This is the email address I'm writing here. This is 100% free and this is instant unlock. Okay, first IMEI number we're going to write from here. That is, as you can see IMEI number. So we can write down this IMEI number now. 35198 35198. As you can see, 198 9067 9067 9067 86 second 789 and 4 we write down. Okay, next we have to write down smartphone version. We can write down iPhone because this is iPhone right now using, and we are going to, as you can see, same IMEI number I add 894. You can see. Okay, we're going to press unlock, and as you can see, process is started already. Phone is in front of you, no video cut, no nothing dodgy, everything is 100% in front of you. You can see. Okay, first we do this one, then we're gonna put second iPhone IMEI number, and we're gonna see. You don't have to do any verification, you just leave it like that. Going back to home page, again coming back to this same website, SimNeverLog. Again we're going to write down our IMEI number. I want everybody to see how I'm doing. Okay, now we need IMEI number of this iPhone, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, IMEI number there here, 3555729011192. Okay, 355572907220192. Everybody can see very clearly. I add the same IMEI number here. Okay, now we're going to write down again this iPhone. Yeah, and we have to press unlock. We press, as you can see, process start already. Both iPhones are in front of your eyes now. What we have to do, we just have to restart these phones. Okay, now remember this thing, the SIM cards we put inside. As you can see what it's saying right now, it's saying no service. Here you can see it's saying no service. Okay, now this thing is done. Now this phone we can put on the side. Now everybody is ready to see what I did just now. This is free of course, 100%. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And now we're going to switch off both phones. Yeah, we switch off one. We're going to switch off second iPhone. This is what we have to do just because of the process what we did. Okay, we both iPhones are off now. Once you off, make sure you're doing same as I am doing. Once you off, take out the SIM cards. Okay, one SIM card is here. You're gonna put another SIM card here. Okay, I want everyone to see what I'm doing. Okay, we put another SIM card inside here and leaving here. Okay, both iPhones are off. Make sure after doing this process, now we have to put another SIM card here. Everybody knows normally when iPhones are blocked or lock is saying no service, So now just because of this process, this phone's gonna work. Okay, we changed SIM cards already after this process, so I'm gonna own these phones together. Yeah, both iPhones are on. We're gonna see in front of your eyes what I did just now. Everybody asking me, I see a lot of messages that they want me to make video for carrier unlock. So this is the video for all kind of carriers you can do. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. As you can see, it's searching now. I want S says no service. Just keep a close eye. It's saying no service here. Okay, this one is still waiting to be on. In the start it's gonna say no service, but we have to just wait. As you can see, it is catching signal. You press English. Okay, back, on again, English. Okay, setup. Now let's see how it's gonna work. Okay, another iPhone is on, but it says here no service again. We have to wait because we did the process. After this process is gonna take time. This iPhone is getting ready as well. As you can see, it takes signals already. Okay, as you can see, it's taking time. As you can see, it's ready now. One iPhone is ready, second one is still saying no service. As you can see here, it's still saying no service. Press English. As you can see, once you press English, it's start coming signals here. So the process I try, it work 100%. It means this is genuine process. Press English, choose any country or choose your country where you belongs to. Okay, we're gonna choose country now. Set up manually. Let's see how it's gonna work now. It catch signal already. I just want everybody to see that this thing is 100% working. It taking time. In the start it's saying no service, but once after 3-4 minutes it's gonna start taking SIM cards. As you can see, just now I unlocked these two iPhones. Now they are free of any SIM card. You can use any SIM card in these phones, and both iPhones are unlocked. So this is proof what I did just now in front of everybody to unlock your iPhones. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and if any case, just send me your IMEI number. I will be more than happy to help you. So for now, thank you very much for watching. As you can see, both phones are unlocked. I showed everyone. In the start is gonna show that this is no service, but later is catching signals. Thank you. Bye bye.